How to see or retrieve your purchase history on Temu app. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Temu app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to get this application. Now, if you want to see or retrieve your purchase history, the process is basically same for iOS or Android device. All you have to do is follow some simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. Now, if you have not signed into your account, you first of all want to be signed in. Now, you want to tap on the option of your orders. Once you tap on it, you're going to find different tabs here. All of your orders are going to appear on the All Orders tab. If you head over to processing, you're going to find all the processing orders. If you tap on the shipped one, you will find orders which has been shipped. Tap on the delivered option and here you can find all the orders which has been delivered to you. So this is the tab where you're going to find the information about your purchase history. You can get all the information such as the item you have purchased and also the date of purchase. You can also make the same order if you want to. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.